Teng kibreu Shillong hai kata.
There are people who go through
Teng kena
this.
samla ngatarai ngapi bun se teng pi ya poi ro hai kita ibenta.
I'm sure young people have gone through this.
Teng pi poi ba kita ki perlok ki jong pi dei breu ba baik ba syakri yo Blei.
You are right and straight with God. You serve Him.
Har teng pi poi ba kita ki perlok ki kita ki jing kawai ke dawai pio i ki stang bandi ban bam ne ki stang ban le ke no ki kam ne ki ngap ki jengwa ban ya shat.
But when you come to party with them and sit and you see that they are doing the things of the world and it makes you also be involved
Hata
with
ka man
them,
sim kal ong te pet no.
there your spirit says you need to leave.
Hari ti jing sngo no ni sa dompat ini boyfriend jong ah.
But that feeling that is inside of you would say, oh, my boyfriend would be
Ni sa
offended.
dom ini perlok jong ah.
Or my friend would be
Ki sa dom
offended.
gini.
Or these people would be
Ki syong la
offended.
ka syong.
And then you stay there.
Hadin arkantala i kam shat pelat ma pi ban kita ki wei.
After 2 hours, you'll see you are dancing more than them.
Namar bre Mynsiem try la keren.
Why? Because the Spirit of God has already spoken to you.
Pet
Run.
rengi pan
But we
ngikum syong no.
stay.